Built for travelers who move across borders with ease, the Ceptics PK8 All-Set Travel Adapter Kit brings global compatibility into one compact design. Comes with SwAdapt attachments supporting various plug types that works across the USA, UK, Europe, Australia, and over 200 countries. You can power up to 4 devices at the same time through 2 US outlets, 1 USB-A port, and 1 USB-C port with a combined output of up to 3.1A. Clear voltage indicator LEDs show whether the outlet is running at 110 volts or 220 volts, which helps stay aware on different power systems. Fully grounded, CE certified, and RoHS compliant, the PK8 All-Set delivers safe and dependable power wherever we travel.